King Machinery Company Limited, established in 1966. With the enterprise sustainable business philosophy of integrity, justice, and creativity. The company's brand name was King Machinery when it was founded, and King is used as the logo for the company products. King Machinery is the manufacturer with the most comprehensive testing equipment in the local air conditioning industry. Certified by TAF for under 850 RT water-cooled chiller test laboratory, under 80 RT air-cooled chiller test laboratory, under 400 degrees Celsius smoke and heat exhaust ventilator test laboratory, climate room and environmental test laboratory, elevated constant temperature and humidity microcontrolled test laboratory, rain test laboratory, shock and vibration test laboratory, noise test laboratory, ice bank cooling capacity test laboratory, coil leak-proof test equipment, airflow and pressure of ventilator test laboratory. Our comprehensive testing equipment is the best proof of our product's quality. King Machinery is the first company to gain the ISO 9001 certification in the Taiwanese air conditioning industry, and the only Taiwanese manufacturer that has gained the IRIS Railway Product Standard certification, the highest grade quality management system in the world. King Machinery is also the only Taiwanese manufacturer that has gained 2 Rhineland's welding certification for both stainless steel and aluminum. Therefore, King Machinery can be considered the industry's most advanced air conditioning manufacturer in R&D and technology. Our business is divided into two major categories. For the manufacturing of air conditioners and related equipment, the main products are namely water chiller, air conditioner for rail vehicle, air conditioner for marine vessels, constant temperature and humidity controlled air conditioner for rail vehicle. Currently possesses 100% of the Taiwanese market share, except for some imports. Air conditioner for marine vessels and constant temperature and humidity controlled air conditioner possesses about 80% of the market share. Products are sold throughout various regions of Asia, North and South America, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, etc. Undertaking the construction of air conditioners, electromechanical, ventilation engineering, etc. of various architectures, providing the public with the most comfortable air-conditioned environments. Puding Tunnel, Wonhu Line Metro Stations, Kaohsiung Metro Stations, Taipei Q Square, Chinese Petroleum Corporation Building, Wanfang Hospital. In the past 50 years, King Machinery has become a leading Taiwanese brand in cooling machinery. With its business ethic that is trustworthy, of high quality, and service-oriented. Upholding its integrity to customers and social justice. Manufacturing creative products and services for a wide range of customers. Cultivating talents and fulfilling social responsibility with the local Taiwanese spirit. King Machinery has moved towards the path of sustainable business management.
各位贵宾，欢迎大家莅临本公司参观访问，祝大家事业兴隆，身心健康，家庭美满，快乐幸福。谢谢，再见。